I try to help Sergio from the beginning to be more part of a game, not just to top score. Because I learned from Barcelona when I arrived. I met players with 28, 29 players, and they learn. They made things that before they didn't, because they were open-minded, and we held them to create, and they see new things, and that is wow, that is good, and I think Sergio can be a better player, but not Sergio. I think except one player in the world cannot improve because he knows absolutely everything. Everything. It's like a guy who go to the school and the teacher teach the lesson, and the lesson I already know. So he has not improved, and you know which guy it is. The other ones always they can improve. The managers too, but the players too.